Blessings and peace to you, and I am Chung Fu. I come forward to you today from the ascended realms to bring you a perspective on your life. As I come forward, I invite also your higher self, your divine essence, your guides and helpers, family relations and ancestors to be with you for a moment as we speak together. And as I draw you forward to really look at what is happening inside your heart, your mind, your soul, and also your body. To understand the effect of certain kinds of mental thought forms upon your being. For you are a free spirit. I want to say that again, you are a free spirit. No one can ever tell you what to do, only you. You have the divine right to guide your life. You are the creative power of your life. You know, if you watch a child play, an adult coming in to tell them what to do is a disturbance. They play naturally. The child goes out and just loves to play. And you have within you that inner child who is here to play, to be free, to love, to enjoy, to have great pleasure and delight in your body, in your life, in your experiences. However, as you all, I'm sure, are aware, early in life, often things can be difficult. Situations within humanity are complicated. Relationships with parents and family, woundings can happen, abuse. There are so many situations within the world where indeed the inner child is not well treated, is not experiencing that freedom of your spirit that is your nature. And it can be indeed an entire life's work to get back to that simple truth of your nature, that you are free. This is your prerogative. You have the right to total freedom in your life. You have a right to roam freely wherever you wish, to do whatever you wish that is harm-free, that is bringing goodness and love to all around you. You are free to bring love into incarnation onto the earth, to manifest the divine will, which is love, which is peace and harmony, beauty, truth, deep soul connection. Your inner child knows this and will bring great distress up in you if this is not the case in your life. So if you are suffering, if you are feeling restricted, burdened, ordered to do things you don't believe in, told to do things that make no sense, remember that your inner child is extremely distressed by that. Do beautiful things for yourself in your quiet time. Inside your heart, be very gentle with yourself, kind and considerate, compassionate. Realize that this part of your psyche is very vulnerable and may appear weak or very influenceable by things that your mind and your adult self knows don't make any sense. They're not right. Champion your inner child. Tell him, her, I know it's not right. I am here for you. We will get through this. I am here and I am bringing you the strength of divine presence. I am standing up in my power of knowing truth. I am standing in truth. I am connecting with all the souls who are standing in truth on the inside and on the outside, and start to speak your truth. First of all to your inner child, but then also to each other. To really speak out and know that you are here on this earth to manifest love and that nothing else makes sense. To manifest beauty and peace, kindness and compassion, healing, deep soul connection. This is why you are here. And your inner child needs you to say that to him, her, every day, at least once, if not probably 3 or 4 times, as you witness unkindness, cruelty, any kind of shutdown, lockdown. All of this makes no sense to your soul and to the deep places within you, to your inner child. So make sure you spend time with him, her, every day, breathing, reminding your inner child that you are all love, that you are the living spirit within, made of love, that you are protecting your inner child against the fear-mongering or any kind of overruling edicts that don't make sense, that interrupt the natural flow of your spirit, communing with nature, communing with your beloved friends and family, and come back as soon as you can to connecting deeply with each other. If right now you can't meet, then telephone, make connection, speak truth to each other, take love forward in your world, make beauty, peace, truth, and harmony, kindness, compassion, your purpose in your life right now, and especially to your deep inner child within who needs encouragement, upliftment, who needs, in that sense, reprogramming with positivity, with faith and trust in the goodness and the fact of the manifestation in your world of the divine plan at this time. And remember that I am here for you, and all this beautiful family are here for you to support you and encourage you as you walk forward in your life and bring forward the living spirit, the divine presence, the Christ light from the source of creation, manifesting through the divine feminine, birthing through you, the divine masculine protecting you while you bring forward the new reality here upon the earth, the reality of beauty, peace, love, and harmony. The divine plan right now. Blessings and peace.
Blessings and peace. Hey everyone, it's Jerome Zaran here, assisting Chung Fu. And I just want to tell you again, like I do after all of these beautiful transmissions, that we warmly invite you onto our bi-weekly live streams on Facebook, which happen 4:30 p.m. UK time. And we love to invite you to our monthly live streams, which happen every month. And I will put the links in the description of this video. And also, if you want to sign up on our website, www.deepsoulconnection.com, you can get those notifications for the monthly live streams and our other events that we do as well, and courses and things like this. With great love, peace.
Blessings and peace to you all.